Hi everyone, this is Selina. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Really happy to have you here. So a little bit about me. So I am from London, parents are from Mauritius, and I've been cooking for about 6 years now. Started off with a supper club at home and then did pop-ups, cookery classes, and I started teaching, and then literally just been doing all sorts of stuff in the food world, writing as well, and that kind of led me on to my cookbook. So the Island Kitchen by Selina it has got recipes of Mauritius and Indian Ocean islands like Seychelles, Maldives, Madagascar. So it's all home cooked local food, and I've just tried to make it as accessible for people at home to cook in their kitchens. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like my channel. So I've got loads of videos coming up on island inspired dishes. So we've got things that you can make at home, something that makes you feel like you're on the tropical islands of Mauritius or the Indian Ocean islands. So please do follow, like, subscribe, share any of the videos. That would be amazing, and I look forward to seeing you here.